Best Buy to buy a tripod holder for my vlogging camera because I don't have one. It'll just be easier to like kind of not have it shaking around and looking crazy, because I saw some of the comments that you guys were making about like it just being kind of hard to watch because my hands are like not sturdy enough. So I'm gonna go buy one, and then I'm going to buy my apartment, my new one, to give you guys an empty apartment tour of the place I'm going to be living. And then I might go get my toes done. I need my nails done because they're like gone, but I don't want to kind of get them done. I want to wait till after I'm done moving everything, because if I break a nail, I'm going to be very upset. So I'm just going to probably wait on that, but just get my toes done. We shall see. So I just bought one. It's so already super convenient. This is so cool. So I'm about to head over to my apartment now and drop off my check so I can get my keys. And I'm really excited. So guys, I'm in my new apartment! Yeah! And I want you guys to see how freaking amazing it is. So here we go. When you walk in, here's my door. When you walk in, the kitchen is to your right. And turn on the lights here. We have a washer dryer here. Not washer dryer, excuse me. Wash machine, sinks. I love the sink in here because it's deep, which gives me more reason to have dishes in the sink. No, it's just like I don't like when I'm like washing dishes, the like it splashes up at me or like splashes on me. My other apartment, it was very shallow, and I didn't like that. So I'm glad I have deep sinks. I have a lot of storage space, which is my biggest thing. A lot of storage space. So we have cabinets here. We have my microwave. We also have some more storage space here. More storage space for food. It's just me though, so I'm not sure how much food and stuff I'm gonna have in here, but got even more storage space up here. Then we have this nice refrigerator that I'm just like, yes, love it. It is the dual doors, which I really like. And just, you know, a lot of space to put food in and stuff. And then we have the freezer down at the bottom. Moving on to the stove. I have a gas stove, which I really like because I feel like gas stoves are better, heats up the food faster. I'm sound like a salesperson right now, but I really love gas stoves. I have an oven. My last apartment, I have a conventional oven, which I did not like. So now I can like bake things like the proper way, have more storage space. So much storage space. My last apartment did not have this much, so it just feels good to know I have like more storage space for things to put away dishes and stuff like that. More cabinet space, the ventilation thing. I know it's just for ventilation, but it just looks so cool. Like I love this look, really nice. And I like the backsplash too. The backsplash is really pretty. So this will be the dining area right here where my table and like whatever's gonna go. And then here is the living room. We have this nice big space. I'm not sure which side I'm gonna put my TV on. I'm thinking probably this side, because it has two places. So you can either put TV here or put TV over here. This is what it looks like from this angle. I have a balcony, yay! And look at that freaking view of the mountains. Oh my goodness. To mention, I have floor to ceiling windows. There we go, floor to ceiling windows. They come with blinds, great. So happy about that. Let me try to open this door. So I have a view of the cars, but I also have a view of those beautiful mountains over there. So nice. I'm moving back in. This is a dual master, so there's two dual master bedrooms. This is probably gonna be where I'm gonna put my bed, and the other one is going to be where I put my studio. Also floor to ceiling windows. Very nice. I am in love. Like, I just can't wait to wake up in here and be like, oh my goodness, guys, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It has a lot of space, so that's my biggest thing, was like having more space for my bed, things like that. And we have the bathroom. And this one, the bathroom in this one, I wish was in the bathroom in the other one. So I don't know, I was just like, ugh. But I do like the bathroom nonetheless. It's still nice. Toilet, places to put things, because you know guys, I have like the worst, I just have so much stuff. The mirror, I love that the mirror is super big. I can do my makeup in here all those cool things. So yeah, that's the cool part. This is the closet for this particular room. And it's a little tiny, but I actually have more space to get like drawers and stuff like that. So that was my biggest thing. I was like, I don't mind having a little small of a closet, but still being able to put like things places. And then this is the other bedroom. This bedroom is a bit smaller, as you guys can see, but that's okay. It's just a little bit wider. That one, the other one on the other side is a bit longer. Same floor to ceiling windows, which I'm in love with. I just freaking love it. And then I have the same kind of space in this closet as well. It's not that big, but you know, still space nonetheless. This is my favorite part of the whole entire apartment. My bathroom and over here. This bathroom is so freaking cute. Okay, so we have a stand-up shower and we also have a tub. So I can relax and enjoy myself. It's so cute. So yeah, I'm in love with the shower, stand-up shower. I think it's so nice. Then this is what really sold me to the long countertop, because that was one of my biggest things. Is like I would do my makeup at my other house, but I couldn't even do makeup in the bathroom because it's so tiny. It was like literally like this much space right here. I couldn't put anything anywhere. We have a lot of space for all my makeup and just a bunch of things, toilet, and yeah, I am so in love with this place. I'm so excited. I feel super blessed to even be able to afford something like this, or it's been a long process of trying to get this apartment, and I know God was just like trying to teach me patience and being patient, but I'm just so happy and thankful, and I want to thank you guys for even allowing me to be able to do what I'm doing right now, to be able to get a 2-bedroom apartment. I remember when I first moved here, I was just like, I don't even know if I could do one, so just to be able to elevate and do more things, it's just so inspiring to myself, but I hope it's inspiring you guys too to continue to follow your dreams. You know what I mean? Like, things that you want in life are super attainable if you apply yourself. I don't want to talk your guys' ears off and preach to you too much, but I'm just super thankful, and I'm so excited to finally be able to move, and I found an apartment that I'm in love with, and I'm just so excited. There's so many great things coming up to you guys that I can't wait to announce on my channel. It's definitely music related, obviously, but there's just great things happening, and God is just moving like in my life so amazingly, so I can't wait to share that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my little empty apartment tour. I can't wait to decorate so I can show you guys a furnished apartment. You feel me? So yeah, I will be back very soon with more videos and stuff like that, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, and I will see you guys later. Bye.